The scan the QR code and see your messages in a web app model is used by Google Messages for desktop in a similar way to WhatsApp and other well-known programs. It's far from flawless, and depending on whether you're using Google Fi, RCS communications, or if you have a lot of the new features the company has been dragging its feet on rolling out to everyone for what feels like an eternity, the experience varies greatly. But the internet giant hasn't shied away from enhancing it over time, and today's revelation is no exception. According to 9 to 5 Google, quotable replies, a feature that Google Chat just gained last week, is now available in Messages for the web. Before you get too enthusiastic, you should be aware that this only functions in RCS chats and, as I previously mentioned, online.